Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning at like 6:30. I am up early working on an audition. So ask me if I'm awake. I'll probably have two more of these. One more of these. One more. I just finished filming my self-tape and this is my chaotic mess, but I can't even deal with this until I eat. But this is like crazy town. I just got this though, this like nice studio backdrop. Sweet. Is it really an emmafranceslev what I eat in a week if my first meal of the week isn't my protein smoothie? Is it? I'm trying this new thing where when I want a snack, I go for vegetables instead of chips, unless I really want chips, but like most of the time, vegetables are sufficient and satisfying and satiating and all of the other words, but I'm trying to get more vegetables in when I'm feeling snacky, and I like to do that with hummus. Dinner tonight is no different than anything I've ever had in a what I eat in a week. We made our go-to tofu, rice, mushroom, spinach, avocado bowl. It's in every single what I eat in a week I've ever made. So if you want the recipe, I will have those in the description. I promise the rest of the week I will try to make things that I don't normally make because it cannot be fun watching me eat the same things.
It's fun eating them though.
It is fun eating them, but delicious, my favorite, delicious, amazing, go-to, fantastic, fantabulous.
And who taught it to you?
You did.
Your loving boyfriend.
True. Something about me, I have to have dessert every night. Every night. Good morning. I literally was like going to work out this morning and then I sat on my computer and I got 2 hours of work done by accident. And now I'm so hungry. So I'm just gonna have like a quick protein bar and do just like a little bit more work, and then I'm gonna work out in like 45 minutes once this is digested and given me energy. I hate when that happens. It's like I have a plan for something and I'm gonna do something and then, sorry, it's overexposed. And then time goes by and I don't even realize it. It's fine. It's all good. Clearly a great workout. One that I did not want to do, mind you, but I'm so glad I did. Now it's time to make lunch. My gosh, I'm sweaty. If you haven't gotten a workout in yet, this is your sign to go do it. Go sweat. You won't regret it. I just showered and my bangs look really, really bad. I need to get my hair done, but I can't because we're in a pandemic. Anyway, yesterday I was saying that like when I'm feeling snacky, I usually try to grab some sort of vegetable. Sometimes when I'm snacky, I try to get something that's a little more protein based. So I'm having a hard-boiled egg with sriracha and everything, bagel seasoning. Look how ugly my bangs are. How do I fix this? I've been cutting them myself, so they're usually straight across, but it looks kind of bad. I literally look like Coconut Head from That's Declassified. There's no difference. What are we making for dinner?
Quesadilla. And dinner quesadilla.
Breakfast at dinner quesadilla. How about that? This looks so freaking good, Nick. I need to take a bite on camera. Wow, you do know what you're doing. Good morning, day 3, and I just went to Trader Joe's, so I'm interrupting my what I eat in a week with a little Trader Joe's haul. I didn't get all of my staples. This was kind of like I was missing a few things, and then I'm very hungry right now, and I saw some things in the frozen section. I don't normally get this much like processed frozen stuff, but it looked really good. Here we go. I got 2 of these Southwestern chopped salads. These are so good to just like have on hand. Frozen fried tempura cauliflower. I thought that this would be really good on those bowls that Nick and I always make with the tofu and everything. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm very not ready. Avocados. This everything but the leftover seasoning, which I've heard a lot of really good things about. I don't know. I got roasted turkey breast or chicken breast. This is definitely chicken breast. This is great to just throw on salads. I got mint leaves because I want to show you guys how to make my amazing mint chocolate smoothie, and I think that's what I'm gonna have for my first meal. Got this Harvest Spice Trek mix. This is the best trail mix at Trader Joe's. It's got like ginger medallions in it. It's like fall in a bag, and I'm having some now. Got high protein tofu. This pre-made lemon chicken and arugula salad is beyond words. Got some chicken sausage. I saw these and these looked awesome. Root vegetable fries. So they're like beets, parsnips, carrots, fries, like French fries. What? Sounds good. I found this rice cauliflower stuffing. It's like Thanksgiving stuffing. These chickenless mandarin orange morsels. And then turkey meatballs. Because I got this like sweet potato, here it is. Not sweet potato. I got this spaghetti squash and I thought having it with the meatballs would be good. And then just some pasta sauce. So that's what I got. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to make my amazing smoothie. I can't wait. These are all the ingredients you need for my chocolate mint smoothie. Lots of spinach. This is kind of the star of the show. This is this it's from Hum Nutrition. It's Raw Beauty. It's like a green superfood powder, but it's a mint chocolate chip flavor. Then I've got chocolate protein powder. This is what makes it really fresh. And then of course, frozen bananas. I always have these on hand. I make smoothies like almost every day, as you guys clearly know. So I've got a lot to work with here. Look how good. Look how good. Look at that beauty. It's literally mint chocolate chip. If you add cacao nibs, you could totally blend these up in there too. It is a masterpiece. I'm in love. What?
That might not seem like a big thing, you know, having to swap that out, but
It's pretty loud in my apartment right now. Nick is making dinner. I just finished editing or filming a video trying on all of my favorite fall outfits that make me feel confident, and that should actually be up now. But yeah, I'm eating candy corn. I have it in a jar on my coffee table. I love candy corn. Like, I freaking love candy corn. More specifically, the ones that look like pumpkins. I also have this little cauldron with little candies. And this is not edible, but I made a little Franken pumpkin.
Howdy.
How's it going? Ooh.
We got a little orange chicken here. I got some spinach and rice here.
And guess what we're eating?
High protein tofu.
We've got the orange chicken here, some tofu, rice, and spinach. All right, I want to try this. It's not real chicken. It's...
Wait, that's not real chicken?
No. Oh, I really like it. I can't tell the difference in texture.
Really?
Yeah. Mm. Today's one of those days where I'm just like super hungry and like running around everywhere. I made a little salad with Cholula, chicken, like a Southwestern salad. I just ordered some stuff from Whitney's collection with Gymshark, so I want to do a video where I like live like her for a day. Anyway, this is my lunch today. Yeah, I had a banana and a latte and then this. Want something really quick and easy, and I don't have any fresh vegetables anymore, so I'm gonna try this spaghetti squash spirals with some turkey meatballs for lunch. This actually looks so freaking good. And then I've got the meatballs, and there is lunch today. I look exceptionally bad today, which is why you haven't seen me yet, but let's try this together. That's really yummy. I feel like this seasoning complemented it really well. I like that. It's super sweet. It's very, very light. Again, I'm out of fresh vegetables for the week, so that's why I went frozen. Oh, an entire spinach leaf.
Didn't get blended?
Didn't get blended. Hello, it's Halloween. This is the first What I Eat in a Week where I'm including Saturday and Sunday. Because why not? That's a full week, you know? I did go to Trader Joe's this morning and I got just like a refresh of like spinach and whatnot, but I wanted to show you guys. I got these cauliflower crisps and they are so good. It's made with cauliflower, brown rice, coconut milk, and like a few different seeds. I need to put this down so I can snack on it for a second. Last night, Nick and I got Mexican food and ice cream afterwards. It was so, so good. And then this morning I worked out and then obviously I had a smoothie. Now I'm so bored because I'm not doing anything for Halloween this year. The only plans that Nick and I have are to watch Hereditary or Midsommar. And I got a bottle of wine for us to drink. My favorite kind of wine, aside from, I love Sauvignon Blanc if I'm drinking white, and if I'm drinking red, it's always a Cab. It's all I have planned for Halloween. It's so sad because I usually go out with my friends. Not this year.
I've got you. Under my skin. If I say anything, come
Good evening. Daylight savings time, or the end of daylight savings time, I don't even know how it works, but it got me messed up because today was weird. It was nice, got to sleep in, so technically I slept until 9, but I really slept until 8. Anyway, Nick and I went on a hike, and then we got some Italian subs. I got a little footage while we were there, and then we just went to like a few different antique stores, trying to get some furniture for my room. But anyway, it's almost 5 p.m. and I'm hungry. We're making dinner, and a lot of what we're having are just leftovers from last night. So leftover salmon, cauliflower tempura, and then the thing that I am trying tonight are those rooted vegetable fries that I got from Trader Joe's. So I'm excited to see how those taste. But yeah, content was lacking today on Sunday. This is probably why my What I Eat in Weeks end on Fridays, because the weekend, my mind is just like fried. Like the ones I'm about to eat. But this is what's making all the ruckus. Look at those. Heads up, guys, these are really good.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. And dessert, of course, is leftover peppermint chocolate chip cookie. It's so good. Oh my god. So good.